Shey you dey interested in knowing more about this particular ad dey see for your screen? Well, if you dey interested about ads and how to monetize your blog, this particular video dey discuss on 3 particular different ad network wey I don dey review for the past few months or couple of months. And one of them is this HBagency, and the second one on the list na Adsterra, and third on the list na Mgid. So these 3 particular ad network, they work in different way, and I go explain them if you watch to the end of this video. As you know, my name na Timothy Sunday, and my channel dey all about monetization, traffic, and how to make money from blogging. Na wetin my channel dey all about. So if you get any issues about how to get more traffic, or how you fit monetize your blog the right way, and how you fit make money, if you wan make money, all you need to do be say make you watch most of my video dey this channel. E dey very educational. If you want one-on-one mentorship, you fit also reach me out on WhatsApp. You fit easily find my WhatsApp number for inside any of the description of my videos. You will find my WhatsApp contact there. So reach out to me. So subscribe if you dey new to this channel, because subscribers, they always get discounts for all my mentorship programs. So as I talked before, I go break am down for you. This ad network or this ad company na third party way of making money for your own blog. So maybe say you don't get website, you don't get blog, and you find way to make money. You know, all those theory we dey hear before, those time we could never know how this blogging dey work. Or they say, people they come your blog, their MB, which is their data, go they convert some money to your bank account. But that is not so. When you want make money for blogging, it means say you need to get means of monetization. Shey you go dey sell something, or you go dey advertise people's things, make those people or those companies they pay you, so you got to do them. So you need to get wetin they call traffic. Traffic means say the people they come your website or your blog. So now those people that are coming to your site or your blog, now then go make you get money. Now wetin you mean? So if they get more people they come your blog or your website or your store, it means say you get upper hand to dey get money for that blog. As far as the blog don dey monetize. And we dey talk on 3 ways or 3 companies where you see if monetize your blog. And the ad network, as I don't mention them before, I go still mention them again. Now Mgid, now be this one we dey see for we screen right now, and the other one na Adsterra, and the third one na HBagency. This HBagency, I just started to use them recently. It's less than a month. I don't use them. As you can see from my charts, I started using them precisely on the, let me say, on the 25th. Yeah. As from the charts, from on the 24th, 25th. That is when exactly I started using it. But the main ad itself started showing on the 26th. So as you can see, that is when the main ad started showing. So it took some days before my ad started to show. Yeah, if it gets approval, the ad no go just pop up immediately. When you don't put the ad code, you know, be like Adsterra, go just come up immediately once you put the ad code for your blog or for your website. But their own they take sometimes hours. My own take up to some days, because before the thing started to show real well, even that they get some amount of impression, the thing no been the show. So now it's just did here. So what will be the contrast? What will be the differences between these 3 particular ad network? I would break them down for you so that you go feel understand how this ad network they work, and which one go dey easy or good for you to use, even if your blog still dey new. Like this particular blog I dey use for this particular companies, I just create the blog recently. The blog never even reached up to how many months, but I dey post baje as in 24/7. I dey post up to 30 content inside, because I dey discuss on what sports, and the sport man they talk about now majorly tennis and football, as you dey see for the screen. Na the blog be this. So sometimes if you dey admire my blog, well, I fit teach you how to take customize anything make you want. Like this particular theme I dey use for this no be say I dey do advertisement o, but I just love the theme. If you know any of my blog or any of my blog I don use take do review before, you go know say na this particular theme I dey always use, which is Bimper theme, BIMBER, Bimper theme. So now they always use for most of my blog. So this particular ad me dey see here na HBagency. And this HBagency, sometimes the thing they show like AdSense because say they be one of AdSense partners. So now so the ad they show because they be one of AdSense partners. So their ads they very okay. This particular one here na Adsterra. So many of us don't use Adsterra. You will know say Adsterra ad they more of a static ad. So now so it dey. But this HBagency, their ad they always what they change every 2 to 3 seconds. They change. See another of HBagency ad na be this particular one. This one na that they call sticker ad, left sticker ad. So now so it's in there. So if you dey look at now, before you go know now, it go change to another ad. But for other ads, they more of a sticker ad. That means say it's in there they change. Now static one, now so it's in just there until you refresh this particular page before this particular Adsterra ad go change. And also the same thing make this Mgid they always behave. It dey more of a static ad. Now almost when you also refresh this page before you go get other advert types or other kinds or types of adverts on those company. So is that the only difference made about these two? No. The major difference I want to tell you about these 3 different ads be say this Adsterra they read their own. Make I refresh this page. So I mean no go to send screenshots on maybe I use screenshots. So now I don't refresh them as you can see. So currently as for this morning, I get 225 impression currently. And as you can see my CPM, that is the way this Adsterra they always read their own. Let me say that they read their own based on the amount of what impression they get. So that they count, that they pay based on impression, not on clicks. That they pay you based on amount of impression, not clicks. Like this particular Mgid now, that they deal with clicks. That they deal with clicks and not make I show you the full statistics here. So let's view this widget statistics. Let me see. Statistics. You can see the name of the website, that is farmplay.com.ng, and that is this particular site. As you can see the domain here. So I mean no saying that this site gonna they refer to. So them that they refer to clicks, as you can see the amount of clicks what they get for this my Mgid. And Mgid, one bad thing make I hate about Mgid, no be say they downrate them, though that many of my friends they enjoy this particular ad, but I dey always get issue with them. The reason be say if you watch this particular section, they get page view, and this particular section they say views with visibility. Like my page view now don't dey over 2,000 because yesterday being Monday of 2021, as you can see on my blog here, my traffic got to over 2,297. That is my views. And then my visitor, real humans, they did 1,000, as you can see on this second section here. They did for 1,656. But look at this particular statistics from Mgid now. It shows that my page view was 2,103, which is okay. But now the views with visibility is now 536. So now what happened to the remaining 1,500 of my page views? they did not count it for anything. That is just one bad thing about why I personally I don't really fancy Mgid. Though they try as much as possible to provide good service for their advertisers, because that is what they are trying to do. But at the same time, it is making we publishers to look as if we are not actually doing well. You can sometimes I do get up to 10,000 page views, and maybe under these views with visibility I can just be saying maybe like 2,000 out of 10,000 page views. So you can imagine sometimes it is frustrating. That is just it. But one important thing that they do is that they pay based on clicks. As you can see, they pay based on clicks. They are very different from this Adsterra and HBagency. HBagency and Adsterra, let me go on that report under HBagency. They calculate based on impression, as you can see, based on impression. So it is the amount of impression you are getting. That is how they pay you. Yeah, that is how they pay you. So now I'm going to make a contract for all the 3 ads as per yesterday, and you see which of this method of payment is higher. Is it CPC, which is cost per click, just like the way Mgid does, which is through clicks, they pay you based on clicks, or we are going to calculate is it CPM that actually pays the most. Though I've been using Adsterra for more than 6 months, and I have really made some small amounts of money from it. As you can see, I have earned a total of $609, and I have been paid $475 in total. And though I've also been able to refer some people who most of them are my students, I've been able to refer some of them as well. And currently I've made $135 currently, which I'm going to withdraw by the first of between 1st and 5th. They will pay me for next month. So but that is not the main thing. I just want you to be aware that I've been using this ad for some time, and for me to be able to give this review, it means that I have something to actually say. These 3 ad exactly. These 3 ad, I will prefer saying my own very truth. This CPM pays better compared to these clicks coming from this Mgid. If I'm to really give my own best review for this particular 3 ad they talk about, this Mgid is one of the 3rd ad I will say. Inside, if I want to give it based on my own list of arrangement for AdSense alternative kind of ad wey you fit use for your blog, I'll put Adsterra as number 1 among this particular 3. Then I'll put this HBagency as number 2. And then I'll put this Mgid as number 3. That is how I'm going to categorize their list. That is how I'm going to put the arrangement, because Mgid is really, they're really making the earnings look as if someone is not actually doing anything much. Kind of, yeah. That is how I'm going to put it. But when you look at this, look at just for the few weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in this for last week and yesterday, I've been able to get good amounts of CPM. And one thing about this CPM of 18, though there are many people that have been complaining that they are getting poor CPM, but I actually found a secret, and that secret is something that many of us overlook, but it's something that if you look back you're gonna say yes, you can actually increase your CPM. It's not through black art, but I'm not going to expose that secret in this particular video. I'm not going to expose them yet, because this finding now premium one. So I will first allow my students and people who go contact me when they interested to increase their CPM, to make more money, get more traffic. Reach me out on WhatsApp, very easy, and I will teach you many things about blogging wey you no know. Yeah, I'm not the best. I no be the best, I no know everything, but the little one I don't know, I dey use am take dey cash out small small and I dey happy.